In this video, we're going to talk about how weight loss relieves hot flashes. And maybe you didn't know that. Maybe you didn't realize that weight loss actually relieves hot flashes, and or you knew but you had no idea where to look. We're going to go over as many strategies as possible in this video to support you in losing weight to relieve your hot flashes. Coming up next. My name is Dr. Lisa Lewis. I'm a naturopathic doctor. I'm an acupuncturist. I'm a wellness expert. I love talking about hormones and hormone imbalance and weight loss and anything holistic, anything to support the body in achieving holistic health, harmony, and success. Now, exercise is really important for losing weight, to support you with losing weight, to relieve your hot flashes. But one of the differences between general weight loss, exercising for general weight loss, is that you don't want to go too intense if you're trying to lose weight for hot flashes, and you don't want to work out at bedtime or at night, because if you work out at night, then that can sometimes make your hot flashes worse. So the best form of exercise would be, a high intensity interval training, which we talked about in a previous video, in relation to short bursts of intense workout. So working out, say, 20-second burst and a 5 or 10-second rest, or a 30-second burst and a 15-second rest. And you can do that for 20 or 30 minutes. But you want to do that in the morning. If you're trying to relieve your hot flashes, you don't want to do that at bedtime or at night. And because you want to be able to give your body the time and the temperature to be able to go back to normal before you go to bed. It's not a simple strategy. Losing weight can be a little bit more challenging, but it's very, very, very effective. Losing weight to relieve hot flashes is probably one of the most effective things that you can do. Start a really good weight loss or weight management program and see how it manages your hot flashes. I have a free gift for you in the description below that will support you with hormone balance. As well, I'd like for you to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, because we're going to have a ton more videos, not just about weight loss and hormone imbalance, but all about holistic health, to support you in just staying healthy and creating a holistic health, to create hormonal harmony, to create a life of wellness, of success, and to support you in being able to live your dreams by having amazing health. So subscribe, hit the notification button so when all those videos come through, you get the information, and I'll see you then.